Hey, it's Charlie Guarino. It's a very windy day here. I'm in Long Island City, Queens, the New York City skyline right behind me on the East River. It looks like the New York City waterway ferry is going by with lots of people. It's a perfect time to talk about I Cruise with Charlie. We're going to be doing a 2-day workshop in Stockholm. How exciting! How great is that going to be? How exciting in August? Like this exactly, maybe a little bit, I'm not quite sure. I don't think we have the New York City skyline behind us, but it's going to be wonderful, great people, great education, great scenery, oh my gosh, and I'm really looking forward to being there. I Cruise with Charlie, check it out on the Common Sweden website. I'm so excited to be there in August, and I will see you then. Meanwhile, you got a quick view of the skyline here, so pretty. There's the United Nations building, you can see it right there. You can see the Chrysler building sticking out. All great. See you soon. Bye now.